Hello from Makronissos Beach in Ayia Napa, Cyprus. This beautiful, beautiful sandy beach with super nice color of the water. Can you believe it is 3rd of January today? And we have so beautiful weather. And I'm enjoying today on day 14 of my Cyprus winter beach adventures here. And it has been 2 weeks now, and this is the next last day, as tomorrow I'm heading back to Stockholm and the winter wonderland. Today it was -7 degrees there, so it will be almost 30 degrees difference and shock that I'm gonna experience tomorrow. So yeah, it was a bit cloudy earlier, but now the sun is back up, so that's amazing. So let's then have a swim here at Makronissos. It is not the first time I'm here. I have already shown you this on my day 3, when it was beautiful waves at the sunset hour. So yeah, I have also been here during the summer, where this was overcrowded with sunbeds and umbrellas all over this beach, as this is one of the most popular beaches here in Ayia Napa. And the color of the water is absolutely amazing. Look at that. Beautiful. So yeah, now let's go in for a swim and enjoy this beautiful day, 3rd of January here in Ayia Napa. Oh my god, that color is to die for. Beautiful. True paradise. It looks like you are on the Maldives. And what is so special about this beach is that there is a ancient tomb site with the same name. Actually, the beach is named after the ancient tombs because the ancient tombs were here from 700 before Christ. So that's quite a long time ago. And this beach has the same name as the ancient tomb site. And yeah, so mix of history with beach is definitely amazing. So yeah, a beautiful day here, and I'm so glad that I experienced the Cyprus winter that's with 20 degrees Celsius. So currently it is 22 degrees Celsius actually in the air, and in the water is 19.1 degrees Celsius. So very warm and beautiful indeed. So let's then dive in and enjoy this beautiful day here in the Ayia Napa at Makronissos Beach. Let's go! Amazing. That's the best color of the water. It's so nice and beautiful, isn't it? Perfect day. So yeah, this is one of the last beach adventures here in Ayia Napa. So I'm gonna be heading back to Stockholm tomorrow, but I'm gonna be visiting some few beaches in Larnaca tomorrow. Larnaca is a bigger city of population of 60,000 people, where the airport is, one of the two airports in Cyprus. The other is in Paphos. So yeah, that's about it from Makronissos Beach in Ayia Napa, Cyprus. Thanks a lot for watching, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris.